MAR&MOR is a building services company which was incorporated in 2009, mainly focused on providing last mile services for mechanical, electrical, pipe services, as well as fire fighting as it relates to building protection.
We do the good elements of the house in terms of lighting control, automation, fire suppression, that is part of the life safety element of a building. Our focus is to bring engineering firm into the forefront in such a way that what clients always look for, we can give it to them easily with local engineers. Yeah.
What of the welders? Welders, please make sure the lines are pressure tested.
MAR&MOR currently has a workforce of over 400 staff across 15 states.
In MAR&MOR, we are averagely young guys. People always underestimate our capability until they see us in action. We've done about 13 shopping malls in this country, which people always see as impossible. We were doing them back to back. There were even times that we were busy with 4 shopping malls at the same time. Yeah, that requires a lot of engineering, a lot of resources, a lot of capital. And if we are able to overcome that, trust me, we are ready to go on 10 or 20 at the same time now.
Some of our projects, we've worked in Abuja, which is the Federal Capital Territory. We've had several projects in Lagos. We've had projects in Uyo. We've had projects in Port Harcourt. We presently have a magnificent project in Port Harcourt. That's the NDDC building, the Niger Delta Development Commission, which we're working on now. We're providing electrical, mechanical, and plumbing services for them. We've worked around several malls, in Nigeria, ranging from the Gateway Mall in Abuja by the airport road to the Central Office Park. We've done the Lekki Mall. We've done that in Lagos, the Abia Mall in Abia State. We've done Owerri Mall in Owerri. We've done Asaba Mall in Asaba, and several others of them. We're also working on high-rising buildings like the Cornerstone Tower on the island in Lagos.
I remember vividly, it was just a group of young, passionate people trying to make an impact in the engineering space. We were not clear about a lot of things, but we had one thing clear. Whatever opportunity we had, we're going to make the most of it.
We are adopting the clip and couple method, so we are conscious of...
Are there any standards on these things?
They are phasing it out. So it's the information that you have to comply with. If I go back the memory lane, our first major project, which our first shopping mall, which is Kwara Mall, it's actually a little bit tricky for us because that was the first we were doing. But eventually, the first became one of the best. The anchor tenant gave us a feedback that it was the best open shop right in West Africa. It was really one of the push that gave us the confidence that if we can do this despite this constraint, that means we can do better when we have good atmosphere to work.
Financial health of the company is very, very robust because we've been growing from strength to strength each year, eating above 22% every year. Looking at the turnover from 2013 to date, we've been able to grow from less than $1 billion to over $3 billion as of last year. And our projection right now is to hit 4.5 and in 2022 to hit 10 billion naira.
One of the key things that has put us where we are today is in continuous learning. We have that habit of learning on the projects, in-house training, and off-site training.
I actually joined MAR&MOR as a youth corper, and the experience has been great. The workers are allowed to go for trainings. In all, it has been a very wonderful experience to be a member and to be a staff of MAR&MOR Engineering Services.
MAR&MOR is in partnership with Siemens BT. We've been in partnership for the past 7 years, and they've been training our guys on new technology, on new solutions.
Our performances speak for us. In Nigeria, President, before you mentioned 2 TV mechanical and electrical companies, you mentioned MAR&MOR.
One client success after another.
We can push the barrier, we can push the limits, and we improve on a daily basis to know what is going on in the world in terms of technology, leveraging on our improved process and clarity on the process. So we believe with that, we might even achieve the 10 billion goal of 2022 in 2020.